I'm Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know when we come out with new content. Welcome on into the Faithful Studio. It is Monday, and I am Faithfully Bearded Tyson, and this is...
Faithfully Bearded Aubrey and our new pet, Peacock Panina. She's Unbearded Panina Peacock.
Unbearded Panina Peacock. You heard that. Say that 3 times fast. Type it in the comments below. Unbearded Peacock Panina Peacock. Whatever her name is, she's got a new toy, a new friend during this COVID-19. But today, we are unboxing and getting Aubreigh Unbearded's first impressions for a company that I found on Instagram the other day doing a live stream. And the company is called Weatherbeard Supply Company. So they sent out this package like this. I ordered some product from them. I ordered whatever seemed good to me. And so I got it from them. And we're going to slice this open. We're going to see what is inside and give our first impressions on it.
Don't.
So let me just get some stuff out here. See what's all in here. And then we'll give it a snifferoo, right? So stop. What do you got there? What's it say on it? Like, what is it?
Play-Doh. It looks like It smells like Play-Doh.
It does kind of smell like Play-Doh. Okay, so we're gonna start with this. This is Weatherbeard Supplies Beard Whip.
Beard Whip.
So let's look at like this container here. Here we go. Look at their labels.
Oh my goodness!
And this is their whipped butter, and it's called Concealed.
Butter? Like butt rub?
So this is their non-scented. This is their non-scented beard butter, right? So to me, Aubrey said it smells like Play-Doh. You get a little bit. It's kind of hard. It's pretty hard and dry, but let's see. We'll see how it melts down. It almost seems like a stick deodorant, but it feels kind of good in the hand.
That's kind of weird.
I'm interested to try it out and see it whipped because it's not that really fluffy, airy whipped. But we also have some of these guys here, so let's check this out. So I'm going to show you their bottle of oil here. So there's their label, right? Look at that. It looks pretty good.
She just picked the beard oil.
All the way around. And this one is called, let's see, Lion's Night Out.
Oh, I want to smell Lion's Night.
All right, what's that smell like?
It smells like real lollipops, but Play-Doh, kind of.
Nope, completely wrong. It is not lollipops and Play-Doh. To me, it is a crisp cologne type scent, something you'd wear on a night out. So hence the name Lion's Night Out. And then we have Sweet Embers in this one here. It's called Sweet Embers. Let's see
want to eat it.
What this one looks like here.
It might be silly, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
What is that?
I think it's cotton.
No, it's tobacco. It is tobacco all the way. It is that nice sweet tobacco that we love. And then we have smoked cherry wood. Oh yeah, cherry wood, right? Smoked cherry wood? I don't like smoke.
I don't like smoke either!
You got sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and avocado oil.
Peacock is looking at me silly.
Oh, that is nice.
Ew, she's looking... Ew, butt.
Okay, I don't get any smoke from it. What does that smell like?
I don't smell anything, kind of.
It's kind of woodsy, but not overly woodsy. It almost has barbershop-y scent to me. But it's called smoked cherry wood. Interesting.
Butt at me. That's gross.
And then we got a beard balm here. Check this out.
Oh, I want to smell it.
And this is called Classic Cut.
Classic what?
And this is clove, cherry, amber, and smoky spices.
Smoky what?
You got a pull top lid. Not my favorite, but
I love that one. Wait. Is it a creamy? I smell kind of not scented.
That's interesting. I get the spices, I get the clove. Maybe a little bit of the cherry, but that's about it. And I believe this is their new labels. I believe they're in the process of making their labels like this. So I think this is their old label, and they're upping the labels to like this, which I really like. I do prefer them.
My peacock's like,
I don't have any ingredients on the Balm, so I don't really know what's in there. Oh, they're under the lid. How cool is that? I love that. So, shea butter, beeswax, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, avocado oil, and fragrance.
Daddy, my peacock has to back to us because she's shy.
I feel like that's going to be a medium to heavy hold Balm. So, that's what we have. That's what we have from him here. I like the ingredients that I'm getting. Kind of like a dry whip. I'm interested to see how that feels in the beard. And then the oil in here. And it's got a good carrier oil blend. So I'm excited to bring this small company to you guys and to give you my thoughts and impressions. So to bring them in on the Faithful Ranker score right off the bat, I'm going to go at 8.4. So an 8.4 initial FRS. I'm going to try out these products all week long. I'm going to come back to you guys on Friday, let you know what I think. Maybe I'll bring Aubreigh in to let you know what she thinks, but we'll put them on the final FRS score on Friday. I got oils, I got Balm, and I got butter to try out. And I'm excited. If you haven't checked him out on Instagram, a very godly man. That's how we kind of connected, was through the company and Jesus Christ. So I checked him out. I ordered some stuff, good pricing, and now I'm going to test it out. I'm going to put it through the ringer of the FRS score and come back to you guys on Friday with the final FRS score. So any closing comments, Aubreigh Unbearded?
Or peacock unbearded.
Yeah, do you want to say anything before we get off of here?
We have a show and tell.
We have a show and tell, and it's Peacock. So until I talk to you guys again soon, be bearded, be blessed, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.